In this episode, we're going to have a look at time zones. And time zones are one of those things within Rails that can be very tricky to get right. And it is kind of difficult because not only do we have to worry about time zones, but we also have to worry about how we're storing this in the database, and then also how it's getting presented to the end user. So in this episode, we're going to have a look at having a simple device setup where a user can then change their time zone. So we can change this to something like Eastern time. We can confirm our password and we can make the update. And then when we go back to our list of products, we see it in a different time zone. If we were to sign out, then it's going to default to the time zone that we have set. But this isn't the time zone that we actually have stored in the database, but instead a default that we have set for the application. And so the first and the most important thing that we need to understand is that when we are working with times, it doesn't matter what time zone you're in, and it doesn't matter what time zone most of your users are in, you always want to be storing the date and time as UTC, because that's going to make working with times much easier. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.